Have you ever asked yourself why the salary you earned 5 years ago was lower than today's? Yet back then you could afford things that your current salary can no longer buy. If you have, the answer is right here. This is inflation. Hello everyone, I'm Finn. Today I will explain inflation and its causes in the shortest and simplest way possible. Let's not waste any time and get started. Inflation is the loss of purchasing power over time. In other words, the things you can buy with your money today cannot be bought with the same amount of money in the future. Your grocery bag gets lighter, but the amount you pay keeps increasing. The simplest and first reason is that there is too much money in the market. When the amount of money increases but the number of products stays the same, the balance changes. As a result, the same product now corresponds to more money. Inevitably, sellers raise prices. Another reason is increased demand. If everyone starts shopping at the same time and production cannot keep up, there will not be enough products to meet demand. Because of this imbalance, prices rise. The third reason is rising costs. If electricity, fuel, rent, or labor costs increase, producers raise prices to avoid losses. Fuel prices are especially important here. If we consider that almost every product in the world needs to be transported from one place to another, an increase in fuel prices directly means inflation. Reason 4. When exchange rates rise, inflation accelerates. Rising exchange rates make imported goods more expensive for the country, which in turn sells them to its citizens at a higher price. This can be fatal for countries that are dependent on imports and lack domestic production. There are also expectations. If people expect prices to rise, sellers increase prices in advance. The best example of this is year-end price increases. This period is commonly accepted as a collective price increase season, allowing producers to raise prices without a concrete reason. This turns inflation into a self-feeding cycle. In short, inflation does not happen for a single reason. Money supply, demand, costs, exchange rates, and expectations all come together. These were the main causes of inflation, but you can break this cycle for yourself by improving your financial skills and protecting your money from inflation. To do that, you can check out the videos on my channel. If you enjoy content like this, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. That's all from me today. I'm Finn, and you've been watching Finance from Zero.